Hi, in today's video we want to show the difference between a work area and a field symbol when it comes to looping through a large number of records. So we're going to loop through the T100 table. It's got a little bit over 1.5 million records. Um, and if you wanted to, you could put a do 10 times if you wanted around this loop, so it could loop more. But we're just going to loop through the 1.5 million records. The first test we're going to do is a work area, and we're going to get all that data selected into an internal table, and then we're going to get the time right before the loop starts. We'll loop all that data into a work area, and then we'll get the time when it's done. And then we're going to do the same thing on a field symbol loop test. We'll clear that internal table, and then we'll go ahead and select it again, and we'll get the time again right before we start, and then we'll loop again, but this time using a field symbol instead of a work area, and then we'll get the time at the end, and we'll see how much time elapsed for the work area and how much time elapsed for the field symbol. So if you haven't seen a test like this is just nice to see that you should see better performance out of the field symbol code than you do the work area code. So let's go ahead and run this and see what results we get. And the results we get will be come back to us in microseconds. And there you go. So you do see indeed the work area took longer to get through those 1.5 million records than the field symbol did. Hope this was a helpful video. Thanks for watching.